Hi friends, today I am going to take very important topic. It is based on health, very important for the health. So basically anything we are doing workout or anything, we need to have a data. For that basically one is the smart band or smart watch, second one is the smart scale also available. So I have got this scale, it is called Peacock S1 Pro. I will give the details and link. I got it from Amazon. There are two types. One is small one. This is S1 Pro. So you can download the app from App Store or maybe Google Play Store. This is meant for both Android as well as for iOS phones. So what is the best advantage of this? It gives 11 reports, weight reports. So what are those reports? Basically I am telling you, it gives weight, body fat, muscles, then visceral fat which is near your stomach, then BMI, BMR, then body water content, then bone mass, what is the bone mass percentage, proteins in your body type, what type of body is there, it gives, there are 4 types of body, right? So it gives all your that one, and it gives your tentative age also. If you are 30, you are overweight, it shows maybe 35, 36. If you are 40, then it shows maybe 32, 33, depending upon your healthy habits and workouts. So it gives, for example, out of 10, so how much score you get? 8, 7, towards 10. I got up to 9.2. It is very good indications. So here you can add your family members also, 5 members, up to 5 members, and then individually you put their name. Individually also you can track their report daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So it gives all analysis. Other than that, it is very beautiful that sometimes it gives you says ki bhai after walk, after lunch or dinner you have to stand or walk for 10 minutes, and sometimes it tells take proteins or take calcium or eat 2 bananas in the morning. So very good app and very good the smart scale. So just I will show you the scale how it is, then will be throw on this. I will provide the link also. Basically what are the links? So just wait, I will take to you. This one, Peacock. These are the basically your, here you have to stand. So it gives what you call sensors or load cells basically in this term. These are the load cells, you have to stand on this. And here you can monitor 11 indices: weight, body fat, muscles, visceral fat, BMI, BMR, body water, body mass, protein, body type, body age. Age also it gives. If you see details, you will find everything in this. So I will now show you in the app also what are the things it is included. So just wait for a second. Just wait. Here you see the basically Peacock. Here it gives all the your weight analysis. It is name, body name. You can add many people. It is my photo. So I will show you one or two reports. I will show you this report. You see my scorecard 9.2. My body type is muscular and other scale of 13. Limit is 13 only. Body weight is within, green means within the limit. Red ones means danger zones. So everything is under green except visceral fat index. So normally it is work food habits and the stomach. Here body types, 9 types of body are there. Very muscular means I am here. It is very good. Slim, normal. These are the types of typically muscular. So these are the types of very good report. When you go to this report, so it will give you complete downloading. So from there you can send it to anywhere. So this is what the basic thing about the smart scale Peacock. So I thought कि भाई many times we may know or we may not be knowing. So one should daily morning or in the evening after 2 hours before your breakfast, lunch or dinner, you should take the measurement and analysis, do the analysis for yearly, weekly, monthly. It gives complete analysis also. So in that it says wherever you have got a problem, so it says everything. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for such new topics, new gadgets. You will be getting timely notifications so that you can go through it if you are healthy and serious. So healthy lifestyles if you follow. So daily I go for morning walk. I got a smart watch also. So I compare with this. Basically alternate day I go for cycling. Cross training is also important daily if you go walking. So it is good or good also, but even though if you go one day do cycling indoor, outdoor, one day yoga or whatever it may be, so it is better in this COVID seasons. So I think this will help you. If you need any help, I will give you a link so that you can buy it, but it is very costly one. The earlier I had the smaller version, but due to height and their weight, so it is not good for the adults basically. So it is a bigger one, and I have shown you in the picture also. When you put it on the floor, it do not tilt basically. They got very good grips all the corners, so it doesn't tilt also. Thank you so much.